The egg tofu is fried until crispy, then it's braised with mushrooms. It's savory and full of umami taste. All you need is 20 minutes. So how do you cook egg tofu so it's super tasty and won't break apart easily? Stay tuned for a simple cooking trick that will make all the difference. In a bowl, add the vegetable stock, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and vegetarian oyster sauce. You can also replace it with regular oyster sauce. Whisk. Cut the egg tofu into about half-inch rings. Dip each piece of egg tofu in the cornstarch. So how do you prevent the egg tofu from breaking apart easily? The tip is to use cornstarch and fry them, so they will have a protective layer on the outside. You can also pan fry them. Do the same with the rest. In a pan over high heat, add the oil. And heat it up to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the egg tofu inside. And fry until crispy, about 3 minutes. Remove and drain. In a wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil, carrots, ginger, garlic, shiitake mushrooms, and beech mushrooms. Stir fry until aromatic for about 30 seconds. Pour in the sauce. Return the egg tofu and mix together. Bring it to a boil and pour in the cornstarch slurry. I have here 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of water. Stir until it is thickened. In a preheated clay pot, transfer everything inside. And top with scallions. At the end of this episode, let's take a moment and enjoy the little things in life. Focus on righteous thoughts and let go of negativities. Sit back, relax, and share this delicious braised tofu with your friends and family. Let this little moment become what we will remember and cherish. Happy cooking and enjoy! This is so delicious. The egg tofu has fully absorbed the umami taste of the mushrooms. It is so good. I hope that you have enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like, and I will see you again soon. Bye!